to Roxtoberfest today, East River Bank, and having a great day. A lot of people in the community are out, and real happy to be a part of it. So we have a great day today, and then come into Roxborough on Monday and open up an account.
I'm Tom Reinbath, the CFO at Roxborough Hospital, and it's a privilege for us, Roxborough's largest employer, to be involved in the first of many Roxtoberfest. Enjoy!
When you found me, I was running fast, mostly running from myself. I only took my...
So we're here with Freedom Taxi. We're promoting the new app that can be downloaded on your Android device or your iPhone. It's really easy to use. It makes getting a cab much easier to do.
Everybody had their doubts. I had to learn what good love was, and you showed me, and showed me. Whoa, feeling like a homeward night.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jones with the Animatic Veterinary Services. I live in Roxborough. I'm a Roxborough resident, and I do veterinary house calls. We're here today for a fun day for the family. We have our little petting zoo with our goats, and we've sponsored Pawns to have some adoptable dogs. So we hope you all come out and have a great day with the family in Roxborough. Thank you.
Photography. My name is Krista. I represent her today. She's located right down the street here in Roxborough, and she does everything: weddings, portraits, fashion, babies, events, parties. Beautiful work, beautiful work. It speaks for itself.
Hi, how's it going, guys? We're here for the Galvin group over at Roxtoberfest. Support Roxborough Development Corps. It's been a great event, and we're enjoying ourselves. So everybody stop on over, check us out right off the jab.